Solving FACEIT account creation issues with existing Steam account.
Hello, gamers! Today, we're going to talk about a common problem that some of you might be facing. Issues while creating a new FACEIT account using an existing Steam account. If you're encountering problems, don't worry, we've got your back.
What could be the problem?
If you're trying to create a new FACEIT account using the same Steam account, you might encounter a couple of different issues. Error messages. You may get error messages like, "It looks like the account you're trying to connect is already connected to another FACEIT user," or "Email already exists." Unexpected glitches. You may find yourself unable to progress past a certain point in the account creation process.
What are the possible causes?
The most common cause is that your Steam account or email address has already been linked to another FACEIT account. Remember, FACEIT does not support multiple accounts and links one Steam account to one FACEIT account.
What to do to resolve the issue?
Here are some steps you can take. 1. Check if you have an existing FACEIT account. Sometimes, you might forget that you've already created an account. Try to log in with your email or Steam account details. 2. Password reset. If you suspect you might have an existing account but can't remember your login details, try resetting your password. 3. Contact FACEIT support. If you're still encountering issues, you should reach out to FACEIT support. Provide them with as much information as possible, the error messages you're seeing, any steps you've taken to try and resolve the issue, and so on. Remember, creating multiple FACEIT accounts is against the rules and can lead to penalties. If you're encountering issues while trying to create a new FACEIT account with an existing Steam account, the steps we've outlined above should help. As always, if you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to contact FACEIT support team for more assistance. Happy gaming, everyone!